Hey there! Today what we're going to do is embroider a monogram on a tote bag. This is an awesome gift and is super easy to do even if you just have a single needle home embroidery machine. So let's get started. I have this cute tote bag here, and this is actually going to be nice to work with because it's big so we can get inside it, and it's not too thick, so it won't be too hard to, it's not too stiff and hard to work with. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to identify the center point between these handles here. And I'm just going to mark that with a pin. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to find the center of my monogram. So probably somewhere, right around down in here is where I'm going to want to center the monogram. I already have the file set up, and the monogram is about 2 3/4 inches. So I'm going to keep that in mind when I'm drawing my lines on my bag for where I'm going to center this monogram. All right, so let me draw those lines.
Right now I am drawing lines on the bag. I start by drawing a vertical line through the desired location of the monogram, and then I draw a horizontal line perpendicular to that line to mark the location of the monogram. Now I'm using a disappearing ink pen, so these markings will just wash away after the bag is done.
So now that I have the lines on the bag, what I'm going to do is I am going to put lines on my hoop stabilizer.
Right now I am drawing lines on my stabilizer. This stabilizer is a piece of sticky back tearaway stabilizer that I've already removed the paper from the front, so the sticky surface is exposed. I'm drawing right onto that sticky surface. You can also see that it's patched. I've used this piece of sticky stabilizer for a couple of projects now, and I just patch by sticking a piece of extra scrap sticky stabilizer on the back to cover the hole, and then I can just use it again. So it saves me time with rehooping. It also saves stabilizer.
So I have my lines here, and I'm going to use these lines to line up my bag on the stabilizer and stick it in place. Here you can see that I have the design loaded on the machine. It's right here, but the orientation I need to switch. And so what I'm going to do I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees so that it'll align properly on the bag. Now I'm going to stick the bag on the stabilizer. Before I do that, I am going to flip it inside out. And then stick the bag on the stabilizer. I'm adding a few pins just to keep it in place. And it's hard to see if it's straight or not, but I can see the edge of the hoop, and that looks pretty straight here compared to the line. Okay, it'd be great if I could get another pin in right here. Okay, that looks pretty good. It's off a little bit, so I'm just going to nudge my monogram over just a smidge so that it's centered perfectly. Okay, so Now we are ready to stitch. If this bag was really textured, I would probably, I would definitely use a topper, a water-soluble topper, but it's not. So I think I'm good to go. So I'm gonna put down my presser foot and I'm just gonna start stitching, making sure that we don't have a strap stuck under here. I think we're in pretty good shape to go. So I'm good there, and I'm gonna hold back this thread for just a second, put this down, and we are ready to rock and roll. Okay, we are all done. Now we just need to take the bag off of the hoop and clean it up.
Here you can see my completed monogram tote bag. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel on YouTube and go check out my website at www.machineembroiderygeek.com.